Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Sufai class. Subject history lesson number 7. This lesson number 7 is the lecture number 7, the non-cooperation movement. Continue the next para of this lesson, Khilafat movement. Muslim all over the world regarded the ruler of the Turkey as their religious leader. During the First World War. Turkey fought against the British to get support of the Indian Muslim in the war. The British had assured that after the end of the war, Khalifa's empire will not be harmed. But after the end of First World War, England did not stick to its assurance. A tide of great discontent arose among the Muslims. The movement started by Indian Muslims to support the Khalifa was called Khilafat movement. Gandhiji thought that on this problem, if the Hindus and Muslims come together and start a national movement, then the government can surely be brought to its senses. Therefore, Gandhiji supported the Khilafat movement. The Khilafat committee accepted Gandhi's proposal of following non-cooperation to the government. Hindu-Muslim unity was seen, especially during this period. During this period, the Khilafat movement, the Khalifa of Turkey. Next, non-cooperation movement. The concept behind the non-cooperation movement was that the British government in India is dependent only on the cooperation of the Indians. If the Indians adopted complete non-cooperation, then the British government will completely collapse. With this intention, evoked the people of India to take part in this movement. In 1920, the Indian National Congress session was held at Nagpur. The resolution of the non-cooperation movement put forth by the Chittaranjan Das was accepted. All rights of the movements, all reasons of movement were given in the hands of the Mahatma Gandhi. According to this resolution, a program was formed to the boycott of the government offices, courts, foreign goods, governments, schools and colleges. All boycott at the government offices and government, foreign goods, government school, colleges. This is the non-cooperation movement in the held on the session of the Nagpur National Congress session. Progress of the non-cooperation movement. On the background of the non-cooperation movement, many eminent lawyers like Motilal Nehru, Chittaranjan Das, etc. boycott the court by giving up their practice. During this period, with the boycott of the schools and colleges, the scheme of national education was run. Many national schools, colleges and the university were established. There was a boycott of coming election, boycott and the banning fire of the foreign clothes. Due to this, the import of foreign clothes decreases. In 1921, during the visit of Prince of the Wales, he was welcomed by the organizing hurtle. Lonely roads and closed shops welcomed the prince. The movement of the Hindu and Muslim come together, start a national movement, and the government can surely brought its sense. And the movement is spread from the planetars of Assam. Rail workers in the Bengal to bring movement under the control of British government undertook suppressive measures. In the February 1922, the police opened fire in the peaceful procession at the Chaura Chauri in Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh. The people were angry and set fire to the police station, which belonged in one officers, and 22 policemen were killed. Due to this incident, Gandhiji was hurt. On 12 February 1922, Gandhiji suspended the non-cooperation movement. Gandhiji was arrested in the March 1922 for writing their anti-national article in Young India. A special court was set up at Ahmedabad and Gandhi was sentenced as 6 years of imprisonment. Later, on ground of ill health, Gandhiji was released from the jail. Gandhiji, along with the non-cooperation movement, took up the constructive program which the mainly include spread the Swadeshi Hindu-Muslim unity, prohibition, alcohol, removal of the untouchability, popularize art of the khadi, national education, etc. Due to their constructive program, the national movement become more comprehensive in the rural area. Next, the Swaraj Party. The member of the Indian National Congress, such as the Chittaranjan Das, Motilal Nehru, put up the idea of contesting election and the ostraking the work of the British government in 1922. The Swaraj Party was established in 1923. Many members of Swaraj Party were elected in the General Legislative Assembly and the Provincial Legislative Council, mainly including the Motilal Nehru, Madan Mohan Malviya and Lala Lajpat Rai and the N.C. Kelkar. When the political movement in the country clamped down, then the fight in the Legislative Assembly was the staged by the Swaraj Party. They severely opposed the unjust policies of British. They demanded that the responsible government should be given to India in a future. They made a resolution to be passed in the Legislative Assembly for the release of political leaders from the prison to call off the Round Table Conference. The government rejected most of the resolution. Next, the Simon Commission. The reforms introduced by the Montesquieu Chelmsford Act of 1999 were the unsatisfactory, hence there was a discontent among the Indian people. On this background, the people appointed a commission under the chairmanship of Sir John Simon. In the commission, none of the Indian members was included, hence the Congress decided to boycott the commission. In 1928, the commission arrived in the India where a travelled the people made the demonstration against them by this is the Simon Go Back, the movement of Simon Go Back, and the shouting the slogan like Simon Go Back. There was a lathi charge on the demonstrators at Lahore. Lala Lajpat Rai was leading the demonstration against the Simon Commission. The police lathi charged the demonstrations, surrenders at the police officers. Attack Lalaji was a lathi. After the attack in the protest meeting, Lalaji said, "Every blow on my body will the prove a nail to in the coffin of the British Empire." Within a few days of the attack, Lalaji died. This is the picture of Lala Lajpat Rai. His death was the lathi charge in the Simon Go Back movement. After the death of Lalaji, continue the next para of the Nehru Report. Nehru Report. Briggs had the Secretary of the State of India criticized that the Indian leaders cannot draft the unanimously the accepted constitution. This challenges was the accepted and all the party committee was the formed. Pandit Motilal Nehru was the chairman of this committee. नेहरू रिपोर्ट की जो कमेटी के चेयरमैन थे वो कौन थे? Pandit Motilal Nehru. To establish self-government in the colonies of India, implement of the adult franchise system in the linguistic division of province, such as the proposal were put up in the report. This report was known as the Nehru Report. By the end of the 1929, in the indications was the given that if the Nehru Report is not accepted by the government, then the civil disobedience movement will be started on this background. In December 1929, the Lahore session presided by the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru become the memorable in history. They demanded for the Purna Swaraj. The objective of the Indian National Congress of the dominant status was not acceptable to many young members, young leaders like Pandit Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose were the demanding complete independence in the Purna Swaraj. Due to the influence of the young group in the Lahore session of the Indian National Congress, resolution of the attainment of the complete independence was passed. Through this, the resolution Indian National Congress gave up the objective of dominant status. From the onward, the objective of national movement was completed independence of India. On 31st December 1929, Pandit Nehru unfurled the tricolor flag, the Tiranga, and the resolution was the pass in which 26 January was declared to be a celebrate as the Independent Day on the 26 January 1930. People all over the country took pledge for the carrying out the freedom movement with non-violent means for the attainment of the independence of India. Everywhere in the country, the atmosphere was charged with the new spirit. This lesson was the non-cooperation movement. Is the main point of this lesson of the Purna Satyagraha. Gandhiji was the campaign of the non-cooperation movement. The role of Gandhiji, Champaran Satyagraha, Kheda Satyagraha, and a Satyagraha against the Rowlatt Act and the Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, Khilafat movement, non-cooperation movement, progress of non-cooperation movement, and next the Swaraj Party, last Simon Commission and a Nehru Report and demanded for the पूर्ण स्वराज. यानी उनको जो नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट चला वो कैसा चला कि हमें उनका सपोर्ट नहीं करना है, ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट का सपोर्ट नहीं करना. लास्ट में जब ये पूर्ण स्वराज की मांग रखी गई है नेशनल कांग्रेस की तरफ से, तो लाहौर सेशन में ये कि पूर्ण स्वराज हमें पूरी तरह से, हमको हमारा राज्य या हमारी जो कंट्री है हमको पूरी तरह से फ्रीडम चाहिए. इसलिए इसका जो सेलिब्रेशन यानी 31 दिसंबर 1929 को पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने ट्राई कलर फ्लैग एंड अ रेजोल्यूशन वॉज पास इन द 26 जनवरी वॉज डिक्लेयर टू बी अ सेलिब्रेट as the Independence Day on 26 January 1930. This lesson was end. Thank you.